Hello folks, in this short and sweet tutorial we are going to teach you how to create an account, set up your payment, as well as create your first campaign and preservation funder. So let's go ahead and dig right in. Okay, the process to create an account is actually very simple. Just click on the create account button at the very top here, and once you have that open, let's go ahead and put in your information. And let's complete that registration. Okay, now that's all that it really takes to set up an account. Once you have the account set up, then what you can do is if you click on any one of these links up here at the top, it'll go ahead and activate the your account profile. So once we're in here, you're going to notice your dashboard, which has your basic information. Or I'm sorry, yeah, your basic information, your account, which has your account information. You can always go in here and you can add Twitter, Google Plus, Facebook, your website, biography. I encourage you to be as detailed as possible. Let's see. Once you have that in there, if you needed to make any changes, feel free. You'll also want to set up your payment account, and with Preservation Funder, we use Stripe. Okay, let's go ahead and click on here to connect with Stripe. What this will allow you to do is this will allow you to immediately receive your funds when your project is actually up and running. Okay, so we connect with Stripe, and once we are there, it should take just a second. And where are you based? United States. Tell us about your business. You go through and fill out this very simple form, and once you have this form finished, you submit, and it will automatically configure this account so that it will send you your funds. You will need to have your bank account information right there for you. Now this is not on Preservation Funder site. You'll notice this is on Stripe's website, so we can go right there and do that. Let's see. Next, once you have that configured, let's go to My Projects, and we're going to create our first project. This is actually very simple. Let's go ahead and put in the basic team information. Company logo if you have one, company location, and the company URL. The Facebook and Twitter is entirely optional. I do encourage you to use social media though, so you can interact with your contributors. For the project information, let's go ahead and put our title in there. And let's put our goal amount. Let's say our goal amount is maybe 30,000. Now you notice I put the goal amount in there with no dollar signs or commas or periods. For our category, choose the appropriate category. Start date, let's say I wanted to start today, which the date of this tutorial is June 10th, and I wanted it to run through June 30th. Okay. Now on closed end or leave open, closed end is basically it's going to close the campaign at that point, or you can leave it open. Okay. So let's leave it at closed. Project details. Project video, if you do have a video of the project you've put on YouTube or on Vimeo, you can always copy and paste the embed code in there. Let's see, long description. FAQs are not required, but it's always a good idea. Project images, you can choose up to 4. I encourage you to find as detailed pictures as you can. Again, you're trying to convince somebody to possibly contribute to your campaign, so you do want to use photos. It's always a good idea. Reward levels. If you would like to give people reward levels, you're more than welcome to do so. The way reward levels work, let's say we'll do 2. Maybe for up to $50, they get a t-shirt, and up to $500, then you will give them a ride when we're done. Let's say this is our car. So we'll call this one basic, the level price, give up to $50, level limit. How many of these do you want? So let's put in 100. Now I will point out to you that you don't have to have multiple levels. You can just have the one level and people can contribute what amount they want. So it's not like you have to put this in here. Okay. For level fund type, let's immediately deliver funds. And for the description, I would encourage you to be a little bit more, to do a little bit more. You'll get a t-shirt. Let's just call that level description t-shirt. You can add media if you like, and you can also go into HTML view. So if you wanted to put in some specific HTML code, you can. Apologize for that. From there, let's go to level 2. And let's say this one is a $500 contribution. Maybe you wanted 100 of those. I haven't done the math to know if they're correct. Level description and the level long description. Okay, now once you're done and you have that information in there, you are set. Let's go ahead and submit this for review. So we submit for review. Let's see if I've missed something. There we go. Okay, it has been submitted for review. You can see a preview right here, and it will show you a preview of your campaign. Okay, shows you all the information you have. Now you notice I have not uploaded any images, so they don't show. Another nice thing about this is anybody who comes to your campaign can share it on the major social media outlets, and they can contribute from right here. Okay, so that's how you contribute, or that's how, I'm sorry, you set up your first campaign. And once we have a chance to review it, we will approve it, contact you, and discuss anything that we need to with you, and you'll be up and ready to go. If you have any questions, please feel free to go to our contact page, and you can contact us right there. All of our contact information is right there. So have fun, happy campaigning, and let us know if you need any help.